again and welcome back. How are you all doing? I'm doing pretty well because I have just splashed out more money on these. Yes, I couldn't resist it. So yeah, these are the Majorette tune-ups. Basically a blind box series where you get some awesome Majorette castings, but also have this extra feature of being able to be sort of tuned up with some extra body kits and stuff. As well as some other surprises, you get like some stickers, you get this little collector box so they can all stack together. I mean, honestly, it's a really cool series. I've already done 2 videos on it. Yeah, I love it to bits. I just think it's really cool. The only letdown is it is a blind box series. So, of course, we get a list of all the cars, and yeah, in different orders of rarity. So, of course, we got the ultra rare, the one ultra rare at the top, which is apparently 1 in 40 cars. So, yeah, obviously. Could not help myself. I've actually bought another couple. I even went out and looked for a 2-pack because they give you 2 extra boxes of mods for each car, and I've ordered one of them shipping from Germany. And actually, I've in fact ordered exactly the right amount to get 1 of each car, but we'd have to be incredibly lucky. Like I said, this is a very cool series. Absolutely love it. Hopefully today we won't get any duplicates. So same as before, we have 4 of the boxes, so 4 cars and some tune-up kits. Let's have a look at the codes. We've got BK20, 21, so they do go up in order. Oh no, that is 34 I think. Oh, have we had 34 before? And that's 33, oh, okay. But I'm still somewhat sure the ultra rare could be code number 1 or 2, so yeah. I'm not actually overly fussed if I don't get it. It'd just be nice to have the full set. But yeah, I guess that's how they get you, isn't it? With blind boxes, they give 1 rare and then you just keep buying them just to get that one, you know. So you end up buying way more than you would normally, which is yeah, I guess a good way of selling you more. So we've got we've got another one of the Viper. Cool. This one's a green version. So obviously there are a few. I'll get this back up. There are actually a few that do repeat kind of. So we got the Viper there, and we've also got the Viper recoloured as a rare version. We did get that. Very cool. This one looks pretty good, but maybe not quite as cool as that one. Both have the same urban kit though. Shame they couldn't give this like a racing version or something. That would have looked pretty cool. So yeah, here it is. The Dodge Viper. Very nice. I say Majorette stuff's very cool. Got the details, nice decals on the side as well. Green wheels. Then we got the lens headlights. Oh, and these ones are actually yellow. Same with the window tint, and of course opening doors. Wow, very nice. The amount of detail in these is brilliant. There's the interior, all in green. Awesome. And then we can open up our modifying packet. We got some wheels. Yeah. Oh, Opening the wheels is always dangerous. They always want to go everywhere. And then here we get our enhancements and stickers. Nice. So there's the body kit. There's the stickers, which we have seen before. Various very rainbowy glittery stickers. So we can put our car into here. Much like before, that clicks in, gives it an awesome wide body kit, ducktail spoiler, and then we can put on our wheels, which can be at times a little bit on the fiddly side. There we are. Excellent, look at that. And now we have an urban modified Viper. Can you still open the doors? We can still open the doors. Yes, nice. Some of these they do stop things opening. Look at that. I do love the look of these with the tyres on. Makes so much difference. Really awesome. This one is a little bit on the say the orange. It does contrast nice, but again it's a bit on the loud side. I would say the rare version of the Viper does look quite a bit nicer, especially with the chrome effect on the wide arches and that. So yeah, that's pretty cool though. At least it's not a duplicate. My luck with blind boxes isn't always that good. Oh, we've got the little token. There's a token in the side here. There it is. Dodge Viper SRT Snake. Cool. And has all the stats on there. Yes, so my issue with blind boxes, well, I know I won't be the only one, is I am not very lucky. So I'll go through heaps and heaps of duplicates to try and get the one I want, and I'm worried because you can spend a lot of money just on duplicates, and then like you can't do a lot with them because no one really wants to buy the ones that aren't rare. So you can't really resell them. You just sort of have to keep them and accept that you've spent money on something you've already got. Yes, it's a very it is quite scummy really, the blind box process, but there we are. Let's have a look. What code? This is 20. So what are we going to get? Ooh, we've got one of the BRZs. Nice. Okay, this is actually quite cool looking. Let's have a look at the base. Double check it is a BRZ. It might be. No, it's a Toyota GT86. Because don't they, Subaru and Scion or whatever it is, basically do the same car? Pretty sure they do. Yeah, it's a nice red colour. Got some real light details on there, and the badges. Got some gold wheels there. Very nice. Detailing on the side. And then we get the lensed front lights again. Little badge. Very nice. And of course we get a changeable hood on this one, which I think is metal. I have to try and hoik that off in a minute. So there is the thing. Toyota Sprint Stage. There's the stats. This is like a rally version by the looks of it. Let's get our mods out. Aha, there is the other bonnet, which is metal. Like, they are metal. Listen to that. Very cool. We've got our stickers, which I just creased up. Pretty sure we've had them already. And here is the body kit. Right, let's how am I going to get this bonnet off then? Because they do click in pretty well. Oh, there we go. There comes the bonnet. Actually got some detail in there as well. Very cool. Bit of engine detail. Then we can click on our rally lights. Oh dear, it's dark one to go. Maybe I've got to put that one in first. Okay, now we'll try that again. Third time's usually the charm. Try and get the screen side in first. Cool. It doesn't want to go. It just doesn't. Wow. Okay, well, that doesn't work, does it? Look the same. Perhaps I'm doing something wrong. Oh, there we go. Finally, no, it's still sort of coming out. It's not quite perfect, but it looks alright to be fair. So now it's got some awesome rally lights. That took a while. Took a little while, that, didn't it? And then we can put on our over-the-top body kit. I think, does that go on the top like that? It's quite hard to get it over the door mirrors. Maybe if we go at an angle. Oh, okay. No, going front ways. That works. There we are. And then we can have our over-the-top body kit with a little spoiler. Bit OTT this one. Not quite as good as some of the others, but I guess they've got to sort of work around it, haven't they? They've got to add something that can click onto the car. So yeah, no, that's pretty cool. I do like the rally lights though, and the metal bonnets are just so cool, I've got to say. Okay, let's click that up there. So we now have BK33. What are we going to get in BK33? The super rare, wow! Is what I said in my dreams. Right, unscrew the top. Gotta say, I do like the packaging on these, pretty awesome. So, what are we gonna get? Oh, super rare. We get the Lamborghini. Oh, it's got a towing hitch. Yeah, super rare Lamborghini. Oh, there we go. Urus Ice Cruiser. And there are the stats. Very nice. Let's have a look. So, there's the Lamborghini. Got the kind of geometric design on the side. Some nice wheels on there in gold. Oh, front light details. Look at them. Those lens lights look cool. Little logo. This one has opening doors as well, which is very nice. Trying to show you some of that detail in there. Very, very cool. There's the rear light details as well. But yeah, it's got like a little towing hitch. So you could actually pull a trailer with it. That's quite neat. I wonder how many Euros actually have a towing hitch on them in real life. I can imagine not very many. So, let's have a look at its mods, shall we? So there's a sticker sheet. Nothing different there really, but that's alright. We get some skis, I think. And there is the body kit. So we can click this. It goes that way around. Oh, it actually clicks onto that towing hitch. I wonder if that's why they've put that there. Clicks on there. So that is now on there. You can still open your doors as well. Very cool. And you can put your skis on top there, look. In fact, I think it could actually fit other things as well. Yeah, no, that's pretty cool. It's a bit on the loud side, I must admit. The gold and the chrome blue does look pretty good. But like I said before, if you really wanted to, you could actually respray. You could repaint these. It wouldn't be too hard. Yeah, pretty cool. All beefed up and armoured up. I was just thinking, will the surfboard from one of the other cars fit on that? Because it's got the side clips as well. Maybe not. What if we slide it in? It looks like it should. Brute force and ignorance! Yes, brute force and ignorance always wins. So now it can carry a surfboard. Excellent. Oh, it's nice you can sort of mix and match. Yeah, maybe best not to go... Try not to break your cars, but it does seem like you can mix and match these things. Nice. Well, pretty cool. We've got a super rare. That's quite nice. It's not quite the one we want though, is it? No, never mind. Let's try this one out then. I'll zoom out a bit. No, that's fully zoomed out. I'm just too close to the camera. Right, there goes the packaging. This is BK34. I suppose giving away the numbers kind of spoils the fun a bit, doesn't it, really? What are we going to get? Oh, we got another Jimny. Right, first duplicate. Okay, 34. Did I have 34 before then? Perhaps I did. Well, I'll have to go over the last video, which I have still yet to edit, and see if I got this in 34. I do wonder though, because it's 1 in 40. There's probably 40 numbers, but there's only 18 cars. So I reckon some numbers perhaps feature the same car multiple times. So yeah, here's the Jimny. Pretty cool, got suspension and all that. But I have featured this previously, so that's a good excuse to go and check out that video, isn't it? There it is. And there's its mods, all even packaged for now. So there we have it. I've made a suitable mess around the desk as usual with these. But yeah, pretty cool. These 3 cars are very cool. Very nice to get one of the super rares. Yeah, like I said, it's a shame that blind boxes like this you can easily get duplicates. I don't know how long this series is going to be out for, and I don't really know how many I quite want to buy. I've got another packet that I've already got to open, and obviously I got... Don't know if you heard that, but some geese were interrupting. I've got another packet to open, another pack of 4, and then I've got the 2-pack, which is coming from Germany. Hopefully we'll get something in that. I think the difficult part in the blind box is knowing when to stop. I suppose once you get the one you really want, whether it's a super rare or like a cool one, I suppose you're sort of set. But yeah, if you're trying to collect the whole lot, it's a really good way of getting you to part with your money, isn't it? Be sure to let me know in the comments what you think of blind boxes, because these are a big thing. I mean, there's multiple different variants within every hobby really, with cars. I mean, I think Funko Pop stuff and things like that, they all kind of do it. So yeah, let me know what you think down below. Do you like them? Do you think it's just companies trying to scam you out of your money? It'd be cool to hear what you think. Let me know down below what you think of these cars. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope to see you again in the next video, and of course, good luck in all your peg hunts. But yeah, until next time, have a good one. I'll see you later.